Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanted Apollo here. Today, guys, I just want to talk to you about being persistent and consistent. It's key when you start anything. You got to know that Go for the Nose, that's what it is. I don't know if you've ever read that book, but Go for the Nose. It's all about a numbers game. Not everybody is your ideal customer. You got to remember that. A lot of times when people are new, they think everybody's their customer, but everybody is not your customer. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're looking for affiliate marketers. You're looking for people that want to work for themselves. They want a product or service of value that they want to share, and 80% commission. It's so important, guys, to really pay attention when you get involved in a company. If they start telling you, you know what, put it on your charge card or take out a loan, that's a red flag. If they tell you that they're not going to work with you if you don't buy everything, that's another red flag. You know what? Come in where you feel comfortable. This is the other thing. This is what I love about the company that I represent, is that you don't have to take a loan. You don't have to take a bank cut. For $25, guys, you can get your product or service out to the world for a price of a pizza. That's crazy. If you see everything that this product does, capture pages, leads pages, online shop and store, a website, and much, much more. Not only that, but the community that backs you up. Very, very important. The other thing I want to leave you with today is don't ever compare yourself to anybody else, because everybody is on their own journey. We all have our own journey. So when you see other people that are being successful, right, and maybe you're not successful yet, that's okay. You know why? Because they all had to start just like you do in the beginning. So remember that. Never compare yourself to anybody. Know that you're on your own journey. And if you just stay in the game long enough, guys, you keep coming out here, giving value, people are going to know, like, and trust you. So that's my word for you today. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. And plug into our morning mastermind. Call it 667-770-1524. Access code 565762. And that's when we learn skills from Napoleon Hill. And I love him, that old timer. You know, it was written 100 years ago, but applies to us today. So I love you. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day. And if you want to learn more how you can too cash in on your passions, go to the number $25gig.com.